Making $100,000 on the side sounds exciting, until you realize it takes more than a weekend hobby. Most people hitting that mark aren't just juggling a hustle, they're running a small business on the side. In this video, you'll see side hustles with the potential to earn $100,000 a year if done right. Most take time, skill, and some startup money to get going. Check out the full details by visiting the link in the description. Number 1. House flipping. Lucrative side hustle for big profit margins. Flipping houses still works if you manage the numbers and understand the market. The average profit per flip is $66,000, so a few good deals can get you six figures. It takes time, roughly 500 to 1,000 hours a year, some upfront capital, and considerable risk. Number 2. Rental properties. Steady monthly cash flow that adds up. Owning rentals can stack into six figures over time. This is especially true after the mortgages are paid off. You'll also get tax breaks through depreciation and mortgage interest deductions. In the right markets, both cash flow and equity keep climbing. Number 3. Real estate wholesaling. High-earning hustle without owning property. Wholesalers profit by flipping contracts, not houses, which makes it a lower-risk way to break into real estate. With average profits between $50,000 and $200,000 per deal, just a few solid closings can clear $100,000. You'll need strong negotiation skills and a list of serious buyers. No license needed, but hustle is mandatory. Number 4. Short-term rentals. $100,000 side hustle using Airbnb or Vrbo. One or two well-located Airbnb rentals can bring in $2,000 to $10,000 a month. Hosts can own properties or use rental arbitrage, but both require solid setup and guest management. You'll need permits, maintenance crews, and standout reviews to scale. Tourist areas and business hubs tend to earn the most. Number 5. Furniture flipping. Creative side hustle with serious profit. Flipping furniture at $300 to $500 profit per piece can add up to six figures fast. You'll need space, basic tools, and a good eye for what sells. Platforms like Etsy and Facebook Marketplace make it easier to move inventory. Just know it takes hands-on work and room to store everything. Number 6. Real estate agent work. Flexible path to six-figure incomes. Real estate agents in mid-range markets can earn over $100,000 in commissions with consistent sales. Pre-licensing requires 40 to 300 hours of coursework, based on your state's rules. The job is flexible, but top earners treat it like a full-time hustle. Strong networks and niche expertise make all the difference. Number 7. Drone videography. High-demand skill that pays six figures. Drone work is in demand for real estate, land surveys, and commercial shoots. FAA Part 107 certification is required and costs around $150, with 20 to 40 hours of prep. Most projects pay $200 to $500, so $100,000 is doable with 200 to 400 gigs. A good drone setup and editing skills are key. Number 8. Vending machines. Scalable business that can reach $100,000. The average vending machine brings in $5,000 to $6,000 in annual profit, not counting labor, and there is a lot of labor. Startup costs range from $500 to $3,000 per machine, so scaling takes serious capital. Success comes down to landing high-traffic locations that keep inventory moving. Once established, restocking and maintenance can be outsourced to save time. Number 9. Property management. Service business that brings in $100,000. Managing rental properties has the potential to reach $100,000 a year through monthly fees alone. Some states require a real estate license for third-party management, so check local rules. Property management software helps streamline tasks and cut down on stress. The more landlord connections you make, the faster this hustle can grow. Number 10. Real estate bird dogging. Hustle that pays for finding deals. Bird dogs scout undervalued properties and pass them to investors for a fee. You can earn $1,000 to $2,000 per lead, so $100,000 is possible with strong volume. No license is needed, just hustle, research skills, and investor contacts. It's a great low-risk real estate entry point. Number 11. Real estate photography. Low overhead hustle for high earnings. Real estate photographers can earn $100,000 with steady bookings and quality work. Agents always need sharp, well-lit photos, and reliable shooters stay in demand. A good camera, editing software, and a sense of staging are essential. Offering extras like virtual tours or video can boost your rates fast. Number 12. Buying blogs. Scalable online hustle with $100,000 plus potential. Buying an established blog can generate steady income if traffic holds. Most blogs sell for 2 to 3 times their yearly profit, based on the niche and audience. Wix.com reports that bloggers can hit 6 figures in just 2 years of consistent growth. SEO, outsourcing, and evergreen content help keep the income flowing. Number 13. Home staging. Design-focused side hustle with big returns. Home staging pays $500 to $1,000 per job and helps listings sell faster. Stagers with design sense and an inventory of furniture can hit $100,000 with 100 to 200 jobs a year. Startup costs range from $5,000 to $10,000 based on your setup. Demand is highest in hot real estate markets. Number 14. Land flipping. High profit, low competition side hustle. Buying unwanted land, resolving access or title issues, and flipping it can yield massive returns. Some investors earn $10,000 to $100,000 per deal, with only a few sales needed to hit $100,000. It takes research and patience, but competition is low compared to houses. Local laws and zoning knowledge help a lot. Number 15. 3D printing. Niche business that can scale to $100,000. 3D printing small batch products like tools, accessories, or cosplay gear can earn serious income. A quality printer costs $500 to $3,000, and digital models are often resold. Print-on-demand sellers on Etsy or eBay scale quickly with the right niche. Custom jobs and design skills increase earnings. Side hustles that can actually pay $100,000 a year. Most side hustles don't make $100,000 because most people treat them like hobbies. The ones that hit 6 figures take real effort, smart moves, and usually some risk. Start with what fits your time, skills, and budget, then get serious about scaling it. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget the link in the description.